Welcome to qnawire.
Problem 119 asks to find the center of gravity of this bronze bushing inside of a steel sleeve. And to do that, we'll use the equation where the centroid of the entire object times its entire weight is equal to the sum of the centroid times the weight of each component. I'll split into three components where we have the base of the steel sleeve. I'll call this component 1. I'll call component 2 the top part of the steel sleeve. Well, I'll call the top part of the steel sleeve component 2 rather. And then lastly we have the bronze bushing inside as the third component. Now we need to find the centroid and the weight of each component. 1, 2, and 3. The weight is going to be equal to the volume times the density of each component. And for the base of the steel sleeve, it's a cylinder, actually all three of these components are cylinders, which means we can take pi times the radius squared, but we need to take the outer radius and subtract the inner radius to get its actual volume, because of course there is a hole inside of these cylinders. And so that gives us the area of the circular base of the cylinder, and then we multiply by its length to get its total volume, and finally to get its weight, multiply it by its density. And for component 1, that's steel, the base of the steel sleeve. And then we have the top part of the steel sleeve, component 2. Same equation. Density is also steel. Same equation for the copper bushing as well, except for that we use the density of, actually it's bronze, I've just read in the problem statement, not copper, but there we go, density of bronze. And we're given all these, the radius, the length, and the density, and so plugging that in, we get 0.2389 pounds for component 1, 0.1568 pounds for component 2, and 0.1093 pounds for component 3. Now the other part of this that we need is the centroid. And since they are cylinders, it will be half of their height is where the centroid will be, or the center of each object. That's 0.2 inches for the base. For the top part of the steel sleeve, we have to first off add on the base of 0.4 inches, and then half of the top part of the steel sleeve to get to its centroid of 0.9 inches. Then half the height of the bushing is 0.7 inches. So that'll be its centroid. And the right side of the equation, we need the centroid times the weight of each component. So I'll just multiply over those columns. we need the total weight for the equation, as well as the sum of the weight times the centroid of each component. So I'll calculate the sum for this bottom row by summing up the top rows. So the whole thing weighs about 1/2 pound. And 0.2655 pound-inches is the sum of the centroids times the weight of each component. Now we know everything we need to find the centroid using this equation. So plugging in the total weight on the left side, you can set equal to the sum of the centroid times the weight of each component, which we just solved for, 0.2655 pound-inches. The pounds cancel, and we're left with a centroid of 0.526 inches above the